Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. This is going to be a pretty quick video. I just want to announce that I will be attending Rare EVO. So right now it is Thursday, August 15th. I will be attending Friday from about 11 a.m. to 5, and then Saturday I will be there as well. So let's talk about that. If you guys get something out of this video, like and subscribe. You can also comment down below whatever questions you may have. In fact, if you want, you could even comment or ask questions that you want me to ask at Rare EVO. So we're going to go through what's going on. I'm going to show you the booth setup, etc. So again, I will be in Vegas. The Moose is getting loose in Vegas, baby. So I am very excited about that. This trip has been a long time coming, and I think it's going to be a good move long term. So this is the website. It is rareevo.io. I believe you can still get some tickets. So for $400 USD, you can get a general admission. So if you live somewhere in the States, probably going to be an opportunity for you. So take a look at all of the different projects and teams that will get to meet out there. RFK. So we got Robert F. Kennedy Jr. who's going to be there. So obviously Charles Hoskinson. So guys, should the Moose meet Charles Hoskinson, right? Should the Moose go up to Charles and be like, look, you need a Moose. Like, let me know. So I got some ideas, Charles. So you should make me the exclusive Cardano content creator. At the event. So let's dive right into this. So again, we've got Rare EVO. So this is happening today. It starts today. So there's like early VIP, etc. But look at all the projects. So let's dive into this first. Who's going to be there? So sponsors, exhibitors. You got ICP, Thorchain, Input Output, Emergo. I'm not going to name them all, but some that we all know here on the channel. Midnight will be there. So that is going to be interesting. And you best believe it, I'm going to be learning a lot. I'm going to get as much information as I can, and this will get me a lot of exposure to, meet with some of the teams, get more interviews down the road. We got Ronin, Iagon, Brave, Snack. We got World Mobile, Smart Places. Guys, look at this. And this has only been getting bigger and better. MinSwap, who I'm a huge fan of. I love that DEX. We got Book.io there, WanChain, Moonwell. We've got JPEG Store. So this is a blockchain event. A lot of big projects are going to be here. Cornucopias. We've got, what else here that's pretty big that we would know? Don't know crypto unicorns. ADA handle. We got Nuvola. So maybe I'll see Raul. Tokyo, which I love their wallet. There's just so many things that are happening. So the Moose does not have a booth. Maybe next year. We'll see what's up. But at the end of the day, we got Charles Hoskinson, and he will be speaking with RFK. I'll get through the lineup here, what's going on. I believe Crypto Crow will be there. Wendy O will be there. We got Aaron from Altcoin Daily. Fareed should be there. He should be up on this list. So is Josh. So that will be cool. I just saw this guy talking about his project. Yeah, Atrium. That'll be cool. So I'll get a lot of exposure. Honestly, the Moose's biggest concern is that it's going to be like 100 degrees. So, not sure if Moose is going to enjoy that, but that's all right. Let's go through the agenda. So let's go to agenda overview. That should get us a pretty good idea. So the goal is to go there. I also have a wireless mic. I'm going to get some quick interviews if I can. You guys comment down below whatever questions you want me to ask. So that will be something that I will be doing as well. So we do have the agenda, but let's go to the Twitter as well. So if we type in Rare EVO, Moose has been tagging them all day. They're probably annoyed. So this is the big highlight, right? We got Charles and RFK, who could be the next U.S. president. It's possible. Definitely better than Kamala. So who knows? So Rare EVO, early registration open. So this is already starting to happen right now. So The Moose will be here. He'll be getting some photos. And guys, it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun. So Moose is going to see Charles on stage. I think Charles is hitting up every blockchain. And by the way, we should put this up. Guys, I think Elon Musk and Charles are like hanging out together. Look at this post. Where's that post that Elon had? Is this even his official? I'm pretty sure Elon Musk made a post talking about how he's at some ranch. There's no way he posts that much. Anyways, there was a post and people were speculating things. So let's get into Thursday. So that is right now today. I will not be there Thursday, but Friday I will be there. I'll be flying in. So we got early registration, VIP party tonight. So the Moose will not be getting loose at the VIP party. Not tonight, but Saturday. You best believe it. So if anybody wants to smoke a cigar with the Moose, let me know. Registration opens. So VIP stages and expo hall. So I believe Charles will be speaking right away in the morning. So that's when the Moose is coming in. And then VIP lunch. Then you can check out the booths, etc. So we'll have some photos to show you here in a second. And then Saturday is registration. So for those coming in then. And then VIP breakfast, stages, and expo. So this is going to be a big day. Then there's a closeout party with Zed. So Omnia nightclub. So it's going to be cool. Looks really good. So the venue's nice. Let's see. The rare stage. I wonder if they have that nice stage photo. But this is a little more specifics as to what's happening. So while that loads, I want to show you guys the rare EVO setup that I saw. Let's go here. So it's at Caesar's Palace. So shouldn't be too far for the Moose to get to. So here's an image. Here you can see this is the entry. And then you've got Nuvola here. And you got the media booth. You got the VIP lounge. You have the rare stage. Then the EVO stage. So that's really cool. It's going to be nice. So again, so many different projects, man. I also did some research. There's going to be like a nice spot to get a cigar and kind of chill out there. So that's really it. I mean, it looks like some people are already showing up. They're having some fun. So, guys, also comment down below. Should the Moose go live and put $10,000 on black? Let me know. If the Moose gets loose, you don't know what's going to happen, right? I don't even know what's going to happen. We just don't know. So, Friday, that's tomorrow. Charles will begin speaking in the morning. Then we have midnight. Just tons of stuff going on. You guys can check it out yourself. I will provide a link down in the description below. But what I want you guys to do, and this will be the big one, right? Identity. You got all this stuff happening. This is going to be cool. Where's RFK? I think that's the next day. So I think they only have Friday up right now. Yeah. So anyways, guys, comment down below what kind of questions you have that I could ask, whether it be Nuvola, it could be Kopi, whoever, let me know. And guys, check out the link tree. I will update this. I'll probably even add some photos down the road, at least on social media, so you guys can see what's going on. And yeah, guys, check out these new projects. So follow the tasks. I've been sharing with you the newest and latest ISPOs. I'm going to be bringing you more information on projects. Guys, pick up a hardware wallet. Got to have a Tangem. Got to have a Trezor. Got to have a Ledger. Got to get loose. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.